And finally, our package arrived. So, this is to celebrate yung ating 1 year na rin, no? 1 year of creating a new video. So, yeah. Pag hinihintay natin, let's open this one. Yan ang packaging. Okay, shoutout pala dun sa ating vendor na binilan. This is not sponsored, pero yan. We actually bought a M5 here, this eye. I did not buy yung sealed since bubuksan din naman natin, so mas cheaper kasi kung ang bibilin mo is yung walang tawag doon? Plastic wrap. If you intend to open it, ganito mo na lang siya kunin. Although, may risk nga na paano kung tampered or anything. So, tiwala na lang tayo sa vendor. So, yeah. Let's see. Ayan. Yun, no? So, again, it's same as doon sa mga previous na binubuksan natin. So, 5 packs lang yung laman. 5 pieces per packs lang yung naman nito. So, we have 30 packs in here. Buksan natin siguro. Let's open half. Sorry, nagbago isip ko. Ang dami pala masyado. Hatiin ko na lang. Ilang piraso pa? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 packs lang pala. Okay, so we have this. Tingnan natin. So yung mga gusto talaga nating makuha dito is specifically yung Darkrai, and if suswertehin tayo is yung Excadrill na SR. Mabustif agad. Uy, yung cute! Oh, Excadrill! Ang nasa Excadrill! Ang ganda! Oh my god! Oh my god! Nahulog! Oh my god! Oh my god! Nahulog! All good? All good? Bastiodon! Ang ganda! Ano mo ah? Yun! Charcadet! Ang ganda! May madadagdag sa collection natin. And we have here a Morpeko EX. Nice. Tago natin yan. Oh, you know, Darkrai EX. Sana makuha natin yung full art. Relicanth. And last card na yata yung dulo eh. Fuck! Okay na rin. Grabe, ang ganda ng pull natin. Dami nating hits. Yun yung Excadrill solid. Pinaka-solid dyan. And you have a Darkrai. Nice.